What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Justine, and I'm back with another video. How y'all do, my mooka butts? Hey. Okay, so highly requested video. So I got y'all. Now, how do we initiate in the bedroom? Okay, because I've had a lot of guy friends, and a lot of them have complained about this same fucking thing. So it happens often enough to hear niggas bitch about it. That's all I'm motherfucking saying. Just complaining. I'm just kidding. Y'all allowed to have y'all preferences, I guess. But alright, so they're irritated. Yo, there's this fucking fly. I've been trying to bitch. Oh, sorry. Okay. Anyway. So how do you initiate in the bedroom? Anyway, so yeah, men complain a lot that women don't initiate, and it low-key makes them feel unwanted. There's no low-key, high-key. It high-key makes them feel unwanted. Just as a woman, just think about, like, if you had a man or boyfriend or whatever, right? Without automatically having that thought in your head that, oh, they're supposed to initiate because they're the male, how the fuck would you feel if he never fucking initiated with you? Exactly. You're going to feel like, does he even like it? Does he even want to sleep with me? Is he fucking somebody else? Is it okay, right? So I don't know why I expected men to feel any motherfucking different. Men are just as sensitive, if not more, than us. Okay, so how do you initiate in the bedroom, girl? Listen, I know it's a little like intimidating because I don't know why. For some reason, women have this fear of rejection. I feel like that's really the reason. Like either they really just don't want to, or like which is okay. It's okay. But women kind of have a fear of rejection that men don't have. Like, men are used to getting rejected. Not saying that, oh, because they ain't shit, because they ugly. No, that's not what I'm talking about. They're used to getting rejected because they're always the one shooting the shot. You bound to miss some shots. You feel me? You know? So, like, I'm going to tell y'all how to do it and how I do it, because I be seducing niggas out their drawers, and I don't even got to say nothing. Right. Okay. So we're going to do like a little bit shy. Like if you're shy and you want to initiate it, or, and then we're going to do the bold one. Cause I know not everybody bold up in this hoe. Shit. I am. What? That's how you get everything in life. Be bold. Okay. No, but for real. All right. So, number one thing is the eyes. Okay. Right. You could undress a man with your eyes, and men are not fucking stupid because they give that look to us constantly. So if you're undressing a nigga with your eyes, he's going to be looking at you like, why are you looking at me like that? The amount of time, and then you're going to do it on accident. Then you're going to do it on accident. And then, before you know it, he's going to be jumping your bones all the motherfucking times. He's like, what, babe? You gave me that look. Like, you know how many fucking times I was sitting there, I was looking normal, and the man was like, why are you looking at me like that? And I'm like what, nigga? I'm just staring. You look good. I can't stare at you. You want me to think you ugly, then I ain't gonna stare at you. Nah, no, but for real, like, so, the look, okay? And I call them the undressing with my eyes look. So basically, I'll look at him. I'm gonna look this way. This is my man right here. Okay, but so I'll look at him, right? I'll be sitting here like this. But me, I'm always admiring whatever nigga in front of me. Because, like, I do that with everybody, though. Because I could find the beauty in anything. Anyone. So I always be admiring people that are around me just because. I'm like, he's so fine. But, all right, so this is him, right? So, like, I'll just be sitting there, right? I'll look at his eyes, whether he's talking or whatever. So you look at his eyes, then I'll look at their mouths, then I'll lick my lips. Okay, so again, this is just the subtle stuff. So eyes, look at their mouth, look back up at the eyes, smirk like this, and you know the little that. Okay, and they're the amount of times I've had men stop talking mid-sentence because I'm looking at them like that. Yo, it's so intense and it's so fucking funny. Like, I don't know if it's part of like the beauty stuff that I do on myself. I don't fucking know, but niggas be ready to just throw their drawers to me. I'm like, hey, you want this, don't you? All right, no, but all right, so yes, eyes, lips, lick your lips. Another thing that I do is I'll stare right at their, you already know what I'm about to say, their package. I'll be staring right at it, and I'll just start licking my lips. I won't even say nothing. You don't have to say nothing. Let your eyes and your body language talk for you. So like I'll sit there, right? This is like my admiring. Like every time I'm admiring a nigga, like my hand goes right here. But so And then, like, I'll just look directly at their, and I'll start licking my lips. Like, and then, like, I'll do, like, this deep in and out breath thing. I don't know how I figured all this shit out. It's just over the years. But anyway, so, like, he'll be standing there, whatever. You got to make sure he's looking at you, though. Like, you have to do it when he's looking at you. Like, you have to do it mid-conversation or whatever, okay? So when he's looking at you, right, look at his eyes, pay attention, right? Turn my head to the side, the other side. Because that's another thing that gets men weak, a head tilt. That I figured out by accident. Again, these are the things that I'm doing that niggas just be going crazy for. I didn't know. It's just in me. But anyway, so head tilt, right? I'll look right at their dick. Ooh, their package. Right at their package, and I'll just be like, and then I'll look back at them. Then they know what's up. So again, now another subtle thing, you could just flirt. Like me, like I'll put my hand on his thigh. I'll start rubbing right by, you know, but I'll make it seem like I'm rubbing on his knee and his thigh, but then like I'll keep going closer. But every time I go down, I'll get a little closer and a little closer, okay? Same thing with my hands. Like if they're talking and stuff like that, right? Like I'm always admiring a nigga, right? And I think that's why niggas always trying to rip my clothes off. Because like they see how bad I want them. I don't fucking know. But anyway, niggas love that shit. They want, like, you know how because me, I have a CNC kink, right? They call it a grape kink, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I have that because just like, oh my God, this man just wants me so bad. He just has to rip off everything and have me right now. That's just hot. So men, it's the same thing for them. You think they don't have the similar fantasies we do? They do. So, God damn it. What was I saying? I swear it ain't that bad. But anyway, so like I'll sit there and I'll admire, right? And then I'll like gently touch like their ears. I love touching a man's ear. Like gently, like one finger. The back of their neck, their hair, always touching their hair. And like the way that I'm touching them, it's not like, it's like a really like seductive, like light touch. Like I'm just like admiring them literally, like with everything. Their lips too. Oh my God. Niggas' lips are my fucking weakness. Oh, because how's gonna feel on this cootie cat? Meow. All right, but so like he'll be talking or whatever. So like I'll put my hand on his face and then like I'll take my thumb and I'll start rubbing it across his lips like that. So boom, initiated. Guys, y'all know niggas are easy. Listen, some of us are easy too. I'm not even, okay? Easy's easy. But anyway, so, yeah. A touch, anything. Like, oh, another thing that I do to accidentally like turn them on, because again, like these are I accidentally turn people on, right? And like if you're shy, this is a way you could kind of go without just like initiating and just get fear of being rejected. So I love men who smell good. That is my weakness. That is the fastest way to get me to rip your fucking clothes off. That's the fastest way. So a nigga will smell good, right? So I'll go right by his neck and I'll go mad close, guys. I mean, nose. And then I'll kind of like, as I'm breathing out, I'll let out a little moan, right? And again, these are accidents. These are things I found out that I did by accident that made men go fucking nuts. I'm like, sure, we can have a quickie before we leave. You good, bro? Anyway, so I'll go put like my face so close to their neck. I'll breathe in. I'm like, and then when I'm breathing out, I'll moan. I'm like, oh, you smell so fucking good, like that. And then they're just like, damn, bitch, you wanna do a little nasty? Like we get a little nasty. Like it's so funny. Oh my God, I be turning these niggas out, and that's why they just want to rip my clothes off, and they don't even want to know why. Cause I'm just stealing a nigga. Okay, anyway, so do that. So that's like the subtle. Now the aggressive, I take this approach too, especially when I'm ovulating. What? So I really be throwing some toothy lines out there. I'm not gonna lie. Like, so if I see my man, he has a really nice fitted tank top t-shirt, whatever, his arms are poking out, I'll be like, just stare at his arms, right, for mad long until he notices. He's gonna be like, oh, what are you staring at? I'm like, I'm just thinking about how I want you to pick me up and fuck me because your arms are just so fucking big. Like that. I say really bold shit because I don't give a fuck. Men love that shit. Men love bold, and you know they love a woman who initiates and like, you know what I'm saying? Bold, or honestly, you could just start kissing them, right? And I don't mean like a regular kiss. Like honestly, men are like, you just have to give them one. And I'm gonna do okay. You could just give them like one kiss, right? And then like get intense, passionate, tongue, hair grabbing, right? Grabbing on their neck. clawing at them. Girl, just start kissing them intensely. They're gonna slide them off for you. You don't even gotta do nothing. Okay? Or if you're in the mood, I don't know why I'd be shy to ask. Like, if I'm in the mood, like, I'll just look at him like, baby, can I put it in my mouth? Can I suck it? Please let me suck it. Like, I'll say stuff like that. Niggas not gonna say no to some head unless you bet at it. But a nigga never said no. I've never had a nigga say no to head. Ever. Okay? So, he's gonna be like, hell yeah. Like, without hesitation. And then you already know. After you can just sit on it. Boom. Sex. And then, or you can just look at him and be like, baby, I'm really fucking wet. Like that. Or you could just be like, you know what? Like, you know what I keep thinking about? You being in between my legs. And just going in and out, and in and out, and in and out. And going in my ear and talking me through it. I do that shit all the time. Like, you just have to say what you're thinking. What else have I did? Oh, I don't care. Like, I kind of don't ask. I kind of just... Like, I let them know that ahead of time. I'm like, listen, if there's any boundaries or anything, let me know now. Because you're mine. When you're in my presence, I can do whatever, whenever. Okay, yeah. They love that. They love that shit. I've never had one nigga once. Like, yo. These men, they love. But again, ask for permission first. Because not everybody like that. Some people are really like, with their bodies, you know, which is fine. But anyway. Yeah. Just whip it out. Start sucking it. Like, you don't even have to say nothing. For real. Like, or if you want to be more subtle, put on a hoochie mama outfit. Walk around the house in a hoochie mama outfit that day. Put some perfume on. Do your hair a little cute. Boom. Men are like... men are fun. That's what I'm saying. Anything else? Oh my God, I have so many things. But yeah, so you can either be shy about it or you could be bold about it. I'm just like, baby, I really want you inside of me right now. Mid-sentence, while they're talking about something. Make sure it's not something that they're passionate about, because then they're going to be like, oh, she doesn't even give a fuck about me. Like, all she cares about is this dick. You know? Not like that. But I'm saying, like, if y'all having a regular conversation about something that doesn't even matter, just look at him and be like, you look so fucking good right now. Like that. You got to look at them the way that I'm looking. Like, you have to, like you want to devour them. That's how you look at them. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Oh, and I will see y'all in my next tutorial. Dropping bangers back to 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 back. Okay. I love y'all.